write down the information. Think about how you would make it dynamic. So I'm expecting you to write somewhere interest rates, like I did with the discounting, that you can link to. I'm expecting you to write down something called loan amounts. The first thing I would say is to create a little box for yourself, like this. In our case, our rate of investment is 8%. Our loan was 20 million. Our rate was 5%. You need to write it. And how long is our period?
Excuse me, can you zoom in?
30 years. Do we want a loan of 30 years? So I will usually give you the years. In this case, let's make it 5 years.
Excuse me,
Yes?
can you zoom in?
Sorry. Yes,
Thanks.
I can. Thank you. I appreciate that. And let's just make our tax rate 30%, just to make it easy. Now you would be doing similar, very, very similar calculations to what we've just done before, except this time you're not doing it on the net flows. You are doing it only on the interest paid components. So exact same sort of methodology and concept. But where before you've done it on flows, you'll now be doing it on the interest. Because you want to know, if you take that $20,000 loan and you're paying 5% interest per year, how much are you saving on paying tax? That's essentially what we're trying to calculate. How much less tax do we have to pay because we have a loan? Sounds bizarre, but the rules say that any expense incurred in the ongoing of a business is tax deductible. Hence why gross profits minus expenses equal to profits. So how much tax have we saved? So just so you know, there's a few calculations here. We can first work out the present value savings, the present value of the interest we have paid, and then obviously the tax we have saved because of it. So I'm just going to talk you through this, but I will give you this spreadsheet. So the first thing we do, I'm actually going to come The first thing we do is we know that it is, our beginning balance is 20 million. Our payment is 4619496. It's been given to you. Our interest is obviously 5% of the 20 million. If we're paying 4.6 million every year back, of which 1 million is interest, how much is principal? The rest, right? Okay? So what is the ending balance on our loan? Beginning balance minus principal. This is, of course, then our beginning balance in year 2, isn't it? Your payment has stayed the same. What do you calculate your interest on now? On the 20 mil or the 16 mil? On the 16 mil. What's your principal now? So these two columns will always add up. If you look here at the bottom, will always add up to your repayment. That's the point. What is your ending balance now? Your beginning balance? So these are the same calculations, just running it down, basically. This is your first step that we need to work on. So the first thing I do is link in my beginning balance to my previous ending balance, just to make it easier for myself. All of these can be linked in. Your principal calculation is the same and your ending balance calculation is the same, so make it easy for yourself. See how at the end of the 5 years there's a 0. You've paid all the money back, which is the term of our loan. So now step 2 of what I've told you before. This is just a basic calculation. The reason why you have to do this calculation is because we want to know how much is this expense. Because this is what we're going to calculate how much tax we saved. So you're going to take C and calculate your tax rate, which we knew as 30%. So over 5 years, these guys have basically paid $1 million in interest expense, which means that they have paid, well, a lot less tax than they should have. They've saved almost $1 million in tax. Just questions, wait, I need to just finish talking about this before we divert it. So we've basically gone, we need this interest because this interest is how much tax we have saved. And then it's the calculation that you know. If this is the future value of each individual tax saving, what is the present value of it? So my answers here show a negative, and here too, it's because this is calculated on that being a positive. So So just flip the signs around. So the present value of my savings over 5 years is a positive 800,000. So essentially, the net present value of our original document is 21 million for project A. If I was asking you for your adjusted net present value, it would be the 21 mil plus our 800.